bought my freedom. What else can I say but thank you, team? Let's go! 'Cause you're just that good, just that faithful, and you're just that kind. I'm so grateful that you saved my life, like you said.
Behind the scenes of Meeprop TV. Behind the scenes of Meeprop TV. Say hello to your director. This is your director. Say hello to your film director. Got his snazzy camera. And say hello to all the... Oh, that's your youth pastor. Yes. Say hello to all your actors.
You put a song in my heart, I sing with all that I got, and tell the world who you are, I'm gonna praise you. You put a song in my heart, I sing with all that I
So, are you part of the Meeprop team?
You should join the Meeprop team. Scan the QR code on the screen now.
let you save my life, like you said you would.
Everybody gets high sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low?
That's all, folks.